I'm Vicky. I'm glad you're here. Today I'm going to be making this advent calendar. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's a kit I found in my local Spotlight store. It's distributed through American Crafts and it has all these wonderful little boxes inside. There are 25 different boxes, one for each day of December. There are houses and there are Christmas trees, and there are some little tags to go on top, little flags that go on top of some of the roofs or some of the trees. Isn't it just adorable? So I'm going to put together one of each of the designs. So this is the Christmas tree box I'm going to put together first. There are 5 different Christmas trees in this pack. And all I'm doing is just creasing the lines. And this pack doesn't require any extra materials, so you don't need any adhesive for any of these. Everything's included that you'll need. I'm using a bone folder to help with the creasing, but it's not entirely necessary. So the first thing with the tree is to put the little topper in and hold it while you put the sides of the box together. So it's all folded. You just need to insert the flaps into the slits and push up that little bit on the bottom of the box and then tuck it back in, and that's where you can actually open and close the box to put your treats inside. Isn't that cute? So that's for day 8. I've already put some together so that I'd be able to show you how to do this really quite quickly. This is one of the little houses in the kit, so all I'm doing is scoring the sides. And there are 4 different house designs in the kit. So this first design I'm putting together. I'm just folding everything as I did with the first one. I'm not even using a bone folder all the time. I've got it in my hand there, but some of the lines I'm just folding with my fingers. And this really helps the box go together much more neatly if you've scored the lines first. So I'm going to start by putting that flap into the slit on the side there. Just pushing it in with my fingers. And then I'm going to attach the roof by pushing the flaps of the roof into the slits as well. Before I do that, I want to insert that topper into the roof and push it down and then just attach the flaps. So I'm folding in 2 side flaps of the roof and the other flaps I'm putting into the slits. And these go together quite quickly. Once you've done 1 or 2 of the same shape, it actually becomes easier to construct each of them because you know where everything's going. So this box doesn't actually come with any instructions. You kind of have to figure it out for yourself. So I thought it would be useful for me to make this video showing you how to construct these little houses. If you are thinking of purchasing one of these kits, or if you already have one, this is how they go together. Isn't that sweet? So that's one of the little square houses. And this is one of the houses that has 2 chimneys. So this is a different design house. And I found that as I constructed all 25 boxes, I became much more adept at knowing where the folds needed to be attached to the flaps and the slits and which order I needed to do them in. Ultimately, I think that putting the roof together first seemed to be the easiest way, working from the top down. So I'm just putting the side gable of the roof into that slit on the side. And the same on the other side. And this has a cute little porcupine on the edge of the side of the house there. Very cute. Just putting it all together. So the thing I really like about this advent calendar kit is that the houses and the Christmas tree are all different size boxes. So you can choose different size treats to put inside each of the boxes. This would be a fun project to sit down with your children and do. I enjoyed putting these together immensely. I put on some music, made myself a cup of tea, took a few breaks. I have a lot of box making videos on my channel. I have a whole playlist of 30 videos which show you how to construct 30 boxes. And in each of the videos, I give you the template, the dimensions for creating these boxes, and they are all my original designs. So it was nice for me to be able to put together a kit that someone else had designed. I thought this was a bit of a treat. So there's your cute little two-chimney house. Here's the two-story house. So I'm going to start by folding all the lines again. And this was one of the easiest boxes, I think, to construct. So I'm pushing this one up and back because that's the last flap that goes together on the bottom. And I found by pushing it forward then back, it was easier to construct the base of the box. But here I'm just folding everything downwards. And I'm just pulling out that little tiny circle there, as you can see. And that's where the flag goes on the top. So I'm just choosing a flag to go on the top of the house and just pushing it right in there. And I'm going to start with the roof and push the flaps into the slots for the two-story house. I also have quite a few Christmas cards, tags and boxes as well in a playlist on my channel, so you can have a look through those two playlists. One is Bright Beautiful Boxes, the other is Christmas tags, cards and gift boxes. And I think I have about maybe 35 videos in the Christmas cards and 30 videos in the Christmas boxes as well, but there's plenty there. If you're like me and you like constructing boxes, then I suggest you go and check those out. So I'm just putting the roof on here and putting the flaps into the slots. If you're enjoying watching this little construction process, consider giving me a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, because I do have a lot of paper craft tutorials on my channel. I also have a lot of card making tutorials and a lot of watercolor tutorials as well. And particularly if you are a beginner at either paper craft, card making or watercolor, then this channel may be quite helpful for you. Now I'm putting this final box together. This is, I'd say, a ranch style house. So it's a rectangular shape house. So it's quite different to the others. But each box in itself has a different colour pattern, a different design. Some of them have little animals at the side of the houses, which is very cute. And I'm really looking forward to displaying these on my mantelpiece. And each of them will have a different treat inside. Now I'm just attaching the last side of the house. And the end gable. And you could fit quite a long-shaped treat in this box. You can see how I push those flaps forward so the final flap just tucks in really easily, and you can open and close it from the base to put treats in or take them out. And here are some of the rest of the boxes. You can see they all have different designs, they're in different colours, and they make up this adorable little advent village that you can put on your mantelpiece or on your dining room table. And it's called Mittens and Mistletoe, and it's available through American Crafts. It's a lovely fun project, and it's one that you can take out year after year and refill the boxes with different treats. And I have my little village here, which I'm really enjoying seeing on my desk. Lots of different styles and lots of fun. So check out my playlist of Bright Beautiful boxes. There are 30 videos of different boxes there with complete instructions, templates and how-tos. And have a look at my Christmas playlist too. There are 35 videos there of Christmas cards, tags and boxes as well. Have a wonderful day. I look forward to seeing you again next time. Bye for now.